Hello, this is Sergio from the ClinicSense support team, and today I'll be going over how to use and read the payment report within ClinicSense. To get started, you'll want to click on Reports from the top menu and select Payments from the left-hand side. Here, you'll be able to filter by date range, so you can select a specific date, a week, or any custom time period. You can also filter by practitioner, and you can select what payment types you'd like to include within the report. Once you've selected your filters, you can click on the Generate Report button. The payment report will include a list of payments from the date range you've selected. This will, of course, include the date, the reference, which will give you some insight on what the payment was for. This could be an invoice for an appointment, or if you receive the payment for any deferred revenue like account credit, gift certificates, or treatment packages, the payment will be recorded on the date that you selected. Additionally, you'll see an invoice date if applicable. You'll see the name of the client, the payment method used, and the total for that individual payment. Additionally, there's another section where you'll find all of the payment types that were used within this date range. You'll see the name of the payment type, how many of those payments were taken, and the total pertaining to that specific type of payment. At the bottom, you'll see your total payments, which includes how many payments were collected during this date range, and the total monetary sum. It's important to note that deferred revenue redemptions will not be included in the main section of the payments report. Instead, you'll find it in its own section at the bottom. You'll be able to see the total redemptions, including what type of payment type it was, how many of those redemptions there were, and the total redeemed. Please note that the payment report is based on when you received the payment, whereas a revenue report is based on when a service was fulfilled. This means that these two reports don't necessarily match, especially in situations where clients prepay for an appointment, or if a cancellation or no-show fee was paid a few days after the appointment. You'll also be able to download this report as a CSV or a PDF by clicking on the buttons at the top right. Now, I hope this overview for the payment report helped, but if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. Our email is support@clinicsense.com. Have a good one. Bye-bye.